Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vaishnavi's Palette. If you are new here, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'm back with another painting tutorial where I will show you how to paint a monochrome forest. To begin with, take a little white acrylic color and start painting at the top. Later add a pinch of green to white to make it light green. You can also use light green color if you already have it. Gradually increase the amount of green color that you use in order to get darker shades of green, as you can see. I would suggest to use the same green color and change its shade with the amount of white you add. Now start to paint little trees. It can be of any type. Here I am painting pine trees. Start with a little darker shade of green than the green present in the background where you are painting. Use the same shade to paint the trees of first row. Take little white and dab it at the bottom of trees to give effect of mist. You can use a round brush to paint trees, whereas you can use a flat brush to give the effect of mist. You can also use a piece of sponge to do that. After this is done, add little more green to the previous shade and paint the trees again. Follow the same method as you've done for the last row. Again add little white to give the effect of mist. Do the same until you reach the bottom of the canvas with darker shades of green. Paint trees of all sizes from small to large. Let me increase the speed of the video until we reach the bottom of the canvas. See you there. You can use even blue color to mix with the green in order to get the darkest shade of green. You can also use a very small amount of black to do so, but do not add more black. So we've reached the end of the canvas. So here just try to fill the gaps that you have at the bottom with the darkest shade. We have reached the end of the video, so please like the video and comment down your views. Let me know what did you like the most in the video. Subscribe to the channel because I will come up with more art related videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and paint more.